With the popularity of the 2020 GT500, it's inevitable that styling from that car is going to trickle down to other Mustangs. If you're a fan of the factory wheels on the 2020 GT500, you're going to love the new GT5 from Voxx. These Voxx GT5s are made of flow-formed aluminum. They're available in your choice of the gloss black finish shown here. They're also available in a gloss gunmetal. These are a flow-formed aluminum wheel, making them nice and strong, but also fairly light, weighing in at 28 pounds for the front wheel and 29 pounds for the rear. The front wheels are a 20x9 with a 6.39 backspace and a +35 offset. The rears, 20x10.5 with a 7.53 backspace and a +45 offset. These are available as an individual wheel or as a set of 4. Wheel and tire packages mounted and balanced and ready to go are also available. These Voxx GT5 wheels are going to fit your 2005 to 2020 Mustang with the exception of the GT350 and GT500.